How to fix Android device vibrates for no reason. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and if your Android device vibrates for no reason, it could be due to several factors. And here are some of the steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. Number one is restarting your device because sometimes a simple restart can clear the temporary glitches that may cause random vibration. Next is checking the notification by ensuring that the notification from apps are not causing the vibration. You might need to disable the notification for the specific apps in the settings, then going to apps and notification. The next could be turning off vibration settings by going to the settings sound and vibration and changing the sound mode to mute or turning off the vibration options under system control. The next could be disabling the haptic feedback or closing the background apps. Sometimes you're updating the software or factory resetting it could also help the issue to solve it. If all of those did not work, then you could seek the professional help by going to any of a repair service. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.